Horses out of Teen Titan pass to begin down on the inside Green Street, moving up, touch of glass on the outside. Security General in between horses, then comes Pangani Boy. Boyo comes next, Speed Admiral, then comes Flush Away. Flying Minstrel and Federer is the early trailer. We have Security General by about 2 lengths. And in second, touch of glass. Green Street is racing in third. 4 lengths, so in 14, Titan Pangani Boy. Boyo is on the outside, Gracious Host. Flush Away, Federer, Speed Admiral, and Flying Minstrel too far behind. And it's still Security General by about 2 lengths. Touch of Glass remains in second, and in third, Green Street. Teen Titan moving up by the to take fourth. Then here comes Flush Away in paper. Gracious Host down on the inside, Boyo on the outside, and it's still Security General. Touch of Glass is on the outside once again. Green Street, Flush Away moving up. Gracious Host in between horses. Touch of Glass, the leader this time. Down on the inside now is Gracious Host. Flush Away is on about the outside, but it's still Touch of Glass. Gracious Host moving up. Flush Away is on the outside. It's now Flush Away, Touch of Glass, Boyo, and finally Flush Away. Close. Touch of Glass, Boyo, then comes Gracious Host.